Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about linear gradient, and by using it we are going to make the background of four different colors in the formation of 2 by 2 matrix using pure CSS, just like this one. A linear gradient in CSS is a smooth transition between two or more colors along a straight line. But we are going to use this feature to turn this smooth transition into a hard transition, just like this one. So this means the change between the colors will happen suddenly without any gradual blending. So let's start building it. I've created the simple HTML project along with some of the styling as well. And I'm also going to put both of these screens side by side so that we can see the real changes happening. So I will build these boxes in two phases. First, I will use the linear gradient to divide it vertically and then in the other direction. And after that, I will make them overlap each other to make a 2 by 2 formation of boxes. First, let's build the background color using gradient. So linear gradient is a property of background, and I would say it should change from red to yellow. And I can also change the direction of this transition to any side using so this is transitioning between both of these colors in horizontal direction. In order to make this smooth transition into a hard transition, I will use a couple of other properties as well. For example, the red should take the 50% and the rest of the 50% should take yellow. In order to make the hard transition, so this is actually like the 50% is taking red, and beyond this 50%, the red is being transitioned into yellow with smoothly actually. And in order to make it hard transition, I would say after 50%, yellow should also have it start from 50%. Let's make these colors with little bit of opacity so that when we overlap two kind of backgrounds, they should be visible from each other. This is I'm going to make as 0.5 and same with yellow. I also need to copy it and replace this yellow. In order to make our next background, I'm going to copy it and change the direction only. So in order to overlap both of these gradients, I can use this gradient and apply it in the same background instead of initiating a new background property. And I should also use overflow probably, or first the padding should be 0 and margin should also be 0. So this is exactly what we needed, a 2 by 2 formation of background colors using pure CSS. So this is all for today. I hope you guys learned a lot about linear gradient. Please do leave your feedback in the comment section and also tell us about what should we cover in our next lectures. Thank you very much.